After having been 3 years now here in Bangladesh, I must say that the overall relationship between Bangladesh and Denmark is very good. It is a relationship that has been built over many years, ever since independence, where Denmark was one of the first countries to acknowledge Bangladesh as a free and independent country. Here in Bangladesh, our main cooperation is guided by what we call 5-year country programs. And the current country program runs from 2005 to 2009, and it focuses on 3 sectors: agriculture, water and sanitation, human rights and good governance. And I'm very proud to say that there are a lot of good results, impressive results in fact. When we look at our agriculture program, millions of farmers have been trained in improving crop production, livestock productions and so on. So very good results. When we look at agriculture, over a period of 15 years, the production from agriculture has increased by 400%. So impressive results, and Bangladesh is now looking at about 1 million tons of fish from freshwater ponds. We have also been engaged in building rural roads. In the past, hundreds of kilometers of roads have been built in Bangladesh. And in this current phase, we are looking at building rural roads of more than 100 kilometers. We have achieved nearly 100 kilometers by now. The second sector that we are engaged in is our water and sanitation program. And that program has also been ongoing for a long time, where we focus both on urban water supply and rural water supply. So in the past, overhead tanks have been put up and water pumps been put in use for people here. And I must say that we still today are focusing very much on rural water supply, and on average about 500,000 people receive safe water, access to safe water every year from the Danish programs. The third program to Bangladesh is the Human Rights and Good Governance program. It's a program that provides support both through NGOs and government. And to NGOs, we provide a lot of support for the rights of children, women, and indigenous people, minorities, etc. And to the government system, we provide support for important or strengthening of important institutions like the Anti-Corruption Commission, the National Human Rights Commission, the Election Commission. And let me say that I'm very happy that after the good election last year, Bangladesh is yet again member of the democratic family, where a party is running the Bangladesh. I must also say that looking ahead now, after being here 3 years, I see or foresee a great future for Bangladesh. With growth rates of about 5 to 6%, as driving private sector, there are possibilities. And I'm proud to say that our relationship has grown from a maybe more development-oriented one to a business-oriented one as well. More than 70 individual businesses have been set up between Danish and Bangladeshi companies. And there are promising sectors like the IT sector, shipbuilding sector to watch in the future. But Bangladesh also needs the development, because 150 million people with 40% poverty, there's a lot of people to feed, and there's a lot of people looking for jobs. But in short, there are possibilities, there are great possibilities, and Denmark stands ready as a partner to support.